If you want to transform your home garden into tropical paradise, today's video is perfect for you.
And smoothie bowl and coconut asha and
You use fresh from your garden.
You will get plenty of design tips to create your own lush tropical oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Vibes. Right now I am in Koh Samet. It is small and beautiful island near Bangkok, known for its crystal clear water, white sandy beaches and exciting water activities like snorkeling and windsurfing. It's tropical paradise. Getting here from Bangkok is quite unique since cars are not allowed on this island, so you will need to take ferry or speedboat to reach Koh Samet. We are here for the Songkran holidays. Songkran is celebrated in Thailand as the traditional New Year festival. Water is offered to Lord Buddha during the Songkran festival as symbol of purification, blessings and washing away of sins and bad luck. So generally people celebrate Songkran by engaging in water fights and splashing water on each other to wash away the past year's misfortunes and bring luck for the upcoming year. Coming back to our topic, we are enjoying our stay at beautiful beach resort surrounded by lush tropical plants, and I am particularly impressed by how they have incorporated plants into the garden. They not only enhance the aesthetic but also serves practical purpose. So guys, if you are looking for inspiration for your own garden, this video offers several valuable tips for garden design that can elevate your outdoor space. The first thing that caught my eye as I walked through this entrance, the simple pergola adorned with the vines. Just take a moment to appreciate the overall effect. It's Caesar's nodosa, commonly known as princess vine. This fast-growing, vigorous vine from the grape family is perfect for covering trellis and other overhead landscape structures. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. This vine provides both. Aesthetically, it infuses charms and natural beauty into outdoor space. Functionally, it offers ample shade from the sun, especially during these scorching summer days. And let's not overlook the striking contrast of green and brown. It's truly stunning. I firmly believe that beautiful garden entrance can greatly enhance the overall impression of the garden. Wow, let's check out this beautiful butterfly garden. So lovely. I really admire how they are boosting biodiversity by creating small patches of butterfly gardens, herb gardens and lily ponds. And see this colorful plant, Angelonia. It's low maintenance and perfect for flower beds, borders and containers. It emits pleasant scent, attracting pollinators like bees, butterflies and hummingbirds. Angelonia is must-have for any garden lover who enjoys splash of color. Now look at this pond filled with lilies calling me over. I'm a big fan of water features in garden. They really bring the space to life. This lily pond is small but charming, made simply with polythene sheet, water and lilies with rocks featuring the edges. Cool idea for any backyard. Just remember to maintain water quality by regular cleaning and circulation. Lilies are fantastic for attracting variety of pollinators including large bees. Let's take around. Oh, lush green ferns, pothos and tall trees lining the pathway. so calming to walk here even in this hot summer. These tall trees provide just the right amount of shade for the plants below to thrive. The takeaway here is that often we struggle to keep ferns and lush healthy. Why? It's all about the weather. The light, high humidity and partial shade here are perfect for them. With this ideal condition, they will grow happily with little care. In many of my videos, I suggested the importance of understanding plants' habitat. It's really essential to know their basic needs to keep them happy. The design layout is so natural and informal. Additionally, the use of natural materials like stone, wood and water elements adds to the authenticity of the design. Take a look of this light pole cleverly covered with plants around it. It's really difficult to spot any cement structure here, right? Here I can see some bird nest fern and orchids. Similarly, this area is also divided by using Spanish moss. Such a nice idea, use of simple metal structure with Spanish moss. Wow! Now over here we have group of traveler's palm. Traveler's palm is striking and versatile plant. Its large fan-shaped leaves and tall upright growth habit make it an excellent focal point or centerpiece in tropical themed gardens. Tropical gardens are filled with different foliage plants and some bright blooms. To create tropical jungles, incorporate different forms of foliage plants, playing with colors, textures and heights. Remember to choose plants with similar basic needs to ensure their health and vitality. Here we have tall heliconias, so cleverly used for privacy purpose. These are relatively easy to grow and known for their upright foliage. They prefer full sun to semi-shade. Heliconias are must-have for tropical gardens, available in several varieties. They are prized for their vibrant and exotic appearance. Their large, colorful blooms add striking visual appeal. Additionally, their big foliage provides natural shade and shelter for smaller plants, fostering more diverse and harmonious ecosystem with the garden. Here we have small vegetable beds and herbs. How thoughtful! The fresh organic veggies and herbs are harvested from the garden and taken to the resort kitchen, where they are used in the restaurant and also in staff canteen. It's truly farm to table experience. Beautiful! Take a look how simply yet functional and beautifully crafted the pergola is. Using basic bamboo sticks, it provides structure for the veggies and shade for walking. We have spa center here, so I suppose some herbs, especially rosemary and this lemongrass, are used for massage and aromatherapy. Having these herbs readily available from the resort's garden ensures the freshest and the most natural ingredient for spa treatments. How thoughtful! Oh wow, we have an edible flower garden here. We have roses, butterfly peas, Himalayan balsam and torenia.
Rose and smoothie bowl and coconut ashan
So they use these flowers for making smoothies, coconut desserts, ice cream, cocktails and for garnishing purpose. Edible flowers can turn any meal into something magical, but remember, not all flowers are edible. There are many lists online of the ones you can and you cannot eat. In India, several edible flowers are commonly used in culinary practices and traditional dishes. Some popular edible flowers found in India include marigold, roses, butterfly pea creeper, and chamomile. If you have big or small space available, consider growing some edibles. Cultivating them can be incredibly satisfying. Use balconies, pots to start with microgreens, leafy greens, and herbs. I'm sure you will enjoy the process. Take a look at these colorful bougainvilleas flourishing on the rocky slopes. Planting ground covers and shrubs with deep roots helps in soil stabilization and runoff prevention. Here we have bougainvillea. Its resilience to drought and poor soil conditions make it perfect for rocky slopes. Moreover, bougainvillea's vibrant blooms enhance the landscape, turning difficult area into charming garden feature. As you can see, what a pleasant sight to see. Next, let's see what's here. Oh my goodness, look at this incredible tree with heart-shaped canopy. It's unreal. And the location, everything is so perfect. I'm going to take many snaps here. This tree resembles Cordia sebastiana, but I'm not entirely sure. You can also consider adding any extraordinary, unique element to your garden. It could be any rare plant, bonsai, outdoor waterfall, small pond, beautiful sculpture, or garden swing or hammock to relax in your home garden on lazy Sunday afternoon. And that concludes our tour of this resort's stunning garden and island. I hope you enjoyed exploring these amazing gardens with me. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for the next video. Now let's enjoy this breathtaking sunset together.